ka senrap ki Seng Bhalang harilum garo kala Pynbna da gejing ki bamtre etrelang lani ka non cooperation movement ha ka balarai ban pen senge lut ya baro ki kam ki jam nadu ka por san baje men step hadu san baje jan mit ha ka khan riu bat khan nyau tarik urisau kani gejing ki ka deina ka benta ban persha ya gejing thmu ban ai shaki riu shimet ya gejaka puli doktor lani ka medical college ha ka ba kila pen pau ki gejing sngo khuslai men sim ba kani kanya lam shakarukam sumar sukher bamla ban kot bor da ki trai muluk bat kabala ru ban pendu no ya kabor sencha jong ki autonomous district council u president ka FKJGP u Pritam Areng ha ka kharwa jong u shakilat pathai khubor ula pen pau yi jing khuslai jing mut jong u ba kani ke jing thmu kanyalam sha ke jing kyo palat ka bai sumar na ka benta ki nong pang ha kani ke jing ki persha baro ki kam ki jam harilum karo ken sange lun ki Seng Bhalang ki khmi nanti ba ke jing le jong ki kan pen long yi ki bor ba dekmi ban le yak ba bha na ka benta ki paj ba.
The government of Meghalaya in both the issues regarding the GHDC and also regarding the medical codex is trying to bulldoze its agenda on the citizens of Garo Hills, and accordingly to show our dissent we have appealed to the people of Garo Hills that there will be a non-cooperation movement, not cooperating with the government. We will cease all activities in Garo Hills. All regular activities, daily activities will cease from dawn to dusk, that is from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. on the 16th and 17th of this month, that is October 2025. So we do hope that our message will get across to the authorities and the authorities will act in the best interest of its people.
Kum kadak kajing rakhi ya kawal